Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is MD Khan. Today in this video we are going to solve a new DSA problem of geeksforgeeks. Before going ahead, if you haven't liked this video, please like this video, subscribe this channel, press the bell icon so that you will never miss this types of awesome video whenever I upload. Without getting late, let's start the video. Okay, first in first, what you have to do, just okay, let me share my screen first of all. Okay, now I hope okay, you are able to see my screen. Okay, first and first, you have to come on the Geeks for Geeks site. Okay, here what you have to do basically, you have to come on the filter section. Okay, here you have to select the basic difficulties level, and in topic sections you have to select the array. Okay, now you will see there are lots of problem we have already solved. Okay, today we are going to solve the problem that is quick left rotation. Yes, quick left rotation. Okay, let's deep dive into the problem. What exactly it is saying. First in first, we will understand. Then we will discuss the approach on whiteboard. Then after we will jump to the coding part. Guys, let's see what exactly problem statement is saying. It is saying that given an array of size n and an integer k, the task is to left rotate the array k indices. Okay, our task is to rotate the array. Okay, left rotate the array by k indices. Okay, if I take the example here, you can see that in example first we have an array of length is 7 and containing the element that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and the value of k is that is 2. Okay, so the output will be look like that. The first two element, okay, we have to rotate from left to right. Okay, and the output will become 3 4 5 6 7 1 and 2. Okay, nice. Here in example 2 you can see our array is means length of the array is that is 6 and the value of k is that is 12. Okay, k is greater than, and so in that case what exactly we have to do, basically we have to take the modulus. Okay, k equal to k modulus n, that is 6. Okay, so let's understand the problem on whiteboard. Okay, then you will get clarity more. Guys, what we have given, first and first we have given an array. Okay, given array is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, and the value of k is equal to is 2. So output will become like that: 3 4, first two element, that is 1 and 2, we have to just rotate this element to right side. Okay, and here is the 5, here is 6, here is 1, here is 2. Okay, nice. Now let's consider if this is the output for this problem. Let's consider if we have given k equal to 1, then output will become like that. Okay, how it is: 2 3 4 5 6 and 1. Okay, we have just rotate this single element to right side. Okay guys, now let's consider if k equal to 7. Okay, the length of the array is 6, we know, but if k equal to 7, then how it will behave? Okay, then we have to okay, change the value of k by k modulus n. Okay, k modulus n, that is 7 upon 6 equal to modulus is 1. Okay, so we have to only rotate the single element in that situation. Then output will become what? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, at last 1. This is the output. But what exactly is our approach? Okay, let's discuss the approach. Guys, what I will do basically, we have array. Okay, we have array containing the element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and you know output k equal to what? K equal to, if k equal to 2, then output will become what? 3, 4, 5, 6, 1 and 2. Okay, this is the output. But how we will get this output? First in first, step 1, I will reverse whole array. Whole array. Then array will become 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Guys, now what I will do basically, we will just swipe these parts of the array, and here is the k, 2 element, that is k, and we have to just swipe this part. Okay, then that is n minus k minus 1. This is n minus k minus 1. N equal to what? N equal to, that is 6 minus 2 minus 1, that is that is what? That is 3. Okay, means here from 0 index to 3 index. Okay, we have to swap the element, and then at last we have to just swap this part also. Okay, then we have to swap this part also. So what I will do, basically just I will swap n minus k to what? N minus 1. Come on guys, I hope you are getting my point. Okay, so let's swap this part of the array first. Then what it will become? 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and just swap this part. No, this part. Then it will become 1 and 2. That is our final output. I hope you got my point. Let's jump into the coding part. Okay, let's come on the code editor, and here I will write the code for this problem. Okay, what I will do, first in first we have to uh, change the value of k by k modulus n, because when k is greater than n, then in that situation we have to rotate only remainder value. Okay, so no, in second step what we will do, basically we have to reverse array. Okay, array dot reverse. Now let's console it. Console dot log array. Okay, let's compile this. I hope this will reverse the whole array. Then we will go add. Okay, here you can see 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now what I will do, basically let initialize a variable I equal to 0, and let j equals to what? N minus k minus 1, and just swipe the element. Okay, while I is less than equal to j, till then you have to swipe the element array of I comma array of j equals to array inside array of j comma array of I. Okay, this is the syntax, ES6 syntax for swapping two elements. Okay, here I will be increment. Okay, and j minus minus. After while loop, what I have to do, basically just we have to swipe the left part of the array. Okay, then let L equal to what, n minus k part, and let the next index, that is m, equals to, okay, second pointer m is n minus 1. It will point it to the last element of the array. Okay, then inside while what I have to do is L is less than equals to m, and till then, okay, we have to swipe the element. So we will use the DSA syntax to swap the element L, array of L, and array of M equals to array of M, comma array of L. Okay, guys. Then we have to just increment the L and just decrement the M. Okay, guys. Then after while loop, just I have to what? We have to return array. I hope this will work. Let's compile and run. What will happen? I will see. Okay. First test case. Okay, you can see here that our output, that is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, and expected output both are equal. Okay, let's comment this console and run and submit the problem. Okay, then let's see how much test case are there. All these test case has been passed or not. Okay, yeah, guys, you can see here that 270 test case was there. All these test case has been passed. Okay, I hope this video was helpful for you. Okay, till now, if you haven't liked this video, please like this video, subscribe the channel, press the bell icon. Why you are not subscribed in channel, and why are you not liking the channel? You should, of course, you should like this video and subscribe the channel, share with your friends, so that I will motivate, okay, to make such types of awesome video. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. I will see you in the next video with new DSA problem. Thank you very much.